This video will show you how to use the Dissertation Progress Reporting and Submission website to add an advisor's assessment to a dissertation progress report. Navigate to the DPRS website, then log in. Click the Dissertation Progress Report link. If you have multiple roles in the system, a drop-down menu will be available near the top right corner containing options to select the role you wish to use. Regardless, the next screen will prompt you to select a role. Click Proceed. At this screen, click the button for the desired role. Remember, neither this screen nor the drop-down menu in the top right corner will appear if you only have one role in the system. On the Current Advisees screen, you may manipulate the list by selecting options, using the search box, or by clicking column headers. This list only shows assessments with the Pending for Advisor status by default. You can see assessments in other statuses by selecting a different option from the Review Phase menu. The current DPR column may reflect statuses of View Assessment or Add Assessment. Note, the current DPR column will show View Assessment and the Report Status column will show Pending Advisor Review if both of the following are true. You are one of the student's 2 advisors, and you have already submitted your assessment but the other advisor has not. Click the plus sign in front of the target student's name to see the status history for their progress report, including a list of the student's advisors and DGS. Click the Add Assessment link to begin your assessment for that student's progress report. On this screen you can see the dissertation title, report history, and the form for your assessment. You can click the Show Student Data link to expand the section and keep the information on the screen for reference. You can collapse the section if you prefer to save space on the page. You can do the same with the Report History section as well. Click the Student link in the Report History section to open their progress report. It will open in a new browser tab. You may find it helpful to keep it open for easy reference. The progress report may include uploaded documents. Scroll to the bottom of the page to check. If there are any uploaded documents, you will find them in this area. Now back to your assessment. If you want to return the progress report to the student instead of submitting your own assessment, you may do so. The button to return the progress report to the student is at the bottom of your assessment page. Things to keep in mind while completing your assessment. The student can see all submitted feedback, including written comments. All items marked with an asterisk require a response. Scroll down and provide responses. There are 7 items, but not all are required. The form automatically saves text as you type in text boxes. If your answer to question 5 is no, you can click the calendar icon on the right to pick the date. Select the academic year, then the month. If you type the date, enter it in the following format: 2 digits for the month, a /, and 4 digits for the year. If you have relevant documents to add to your assessment, click the Add Files button. The standard file navigator box will appear for you to select and add the files, one at a time. Your options at the bottom of the page are: Save. Save your progress to return and finish later. Submit. Submit your completed assessment. Student. Return the progress report to the student as previously explained. An error will appear at the top of the page if you click Submit while any required responses are missing. Red text will call out each missed item. On the DPRS home screen after submitting your assessment, You should see that the Students row has disappeared from the list of dissertation progress reports pending advisor review. You can find the assessment you just submitted by using the Review Phase menu and selecting All Phases. With all advisor assessments submitted for the student, the DGS can now log in, review, and approve. If you have the DGS role in the system, you can select it from here if the menu appears in the upper right corner, as shown in the beginning of the video.